Welcome. Today we're diving into the stunning Byron Bay Hinterlands as I take you on a short journey into Nimbin. This is my first time visiting this unique town, and I had the privilege of staying at a beautiful boutique bush retreat called ARCADIA. From the sacred rocks rising like ancient sentinels to the serene embrace of a granite outdoor bath under the open sky, this place felt like a true haven. Let's explore. ARCADIA is a cabin designed to connect you with nature, surrounded by lush greenery. Its open plan layout and large windows bring the outdoors in. Every detail of the space feels warm and inviting, creating the perfect blend of comfort and natural beauty. Standing tall against the skyline, the sacred Nimbin rocks hold a quiet, magnetic energy. These ancient volcanic formations are steeped in cultural significance, their presence adding a sense of mystery and connection to the surrounding landscape. Immersed in the heart of nature, the granite outdoor bath is a moment of pure connection. Cool stone beneath you and the crisp air around create a refreshing balance, while the rustling trees and distant birdsong set the perfect backdrop. Under the open sky, it's an experience that feels both grounding and freeing. A simple yet profound way to embrace the beauty of the world around you. As a creator, I'm always on the move. But places like ARCADIA remind me to pause and simply exist in the moment. Surrounded by nature and tranquility, it's the kind of space that recharges your spirit and resets your perspective. Guys, thank you so much for being here, and I just can't wait to share my next adventure with you all soon. Bye for now.